Hey guys, Chris here, and today I'm going to show you all of my toy guns. So first we have this sniper rifle, and it's made from Busby Toys. You can put your bullets in the back. There's a scope right here. Here's what it looks like through it. That's what it looks like through it. This is what the mechanism looks like. This is what the mechanism looks like. So take this little lever, pull it up, pull it back, put it frontwards, put it down, and then take your finger on the trigger, and then you shoot it. Moving on to the next one. So now we got this dual strike gun. It's a mega. It shoots Eli darts and mega darts. It has like a little snipe right here. It has a pullback cock, and there's 3 spaces for 3 bullets. Moving on to the next gun. We have my Raider CS-35. This is the mechanism. Okay. Pull this back. Okay. Pull this lever back, and then you see that move. Look, when you pull it back up, it does that. So, moving on to the last gun of the day. We have this XS gun. It has 2 barrels. It can store. Let's check how much bullets. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It can store 6 pieces of ammo. So when you cock it, the barrel moves over. What?
Baby S is in the house.
I'm recording a video right now. I'm showing them all the toy guns. We had to cut. So guys, we are back, and I'm going to show you more of my things that I have. So let me go get them. Here it is. These 2 things. And some of my things. So guys, this is a game called Mayhem for a PlayStation 3. This is Modern Warfare 3 that I've showed you that Eli was playing. So let's put that back on the shelf. And Cabela's Big Hunter 2010. So I have never played this game before, but I just bought it yesterday. This is Need for Speed Undercover Greatest Hits. And the last one, it is a popular game, Minecraft PS3 edition. That's what the disc looks like. And that's what the inside of the case looks like. And the back of the case. So now, let's go put these down here. Now, moving on to the controllers. This is a PS3 clear blue controller, but it looks like an Xbox controller. It's easy to use. So now, this is my black controller. And I just turned on my PlayStation. So I'm going to be playing GTA. And here is the last thing that I am going to show you. Pierce has Pokemon cards. And Pierce is me. So I want to show you my first page. So I got 2 Metagrosses, Totodile, Rhydon, Rhyhorn, Passages, Geodude, Don't Scares, Doublade, Froakie, Energy, Special Energy, Burning Energy, Medicham, Staryu, Golurk, Meditate, Homage, Rufflet, Greyfroar, So now moving on to the second page. So I have Turno, Purple Energy versus Seeker, Chestnut, Shinx, Chespin, Potion, CeeLo, Super Potion, Lightning Bolt Energy, Bidoof, Electrike, Trapinch, Flaffy, Double Dragon Energy, Ultra Ball, Yellow Energy. Moving on to the third page. We have another Trapinch, Recon Lamp, Porygon, Leaf Energy, Porygon. I'll give one to Brooklyn. Esper, Oshawott, Weedle, another versus Seeker. I'll give that out tomorrow. Wherever gives me the most views. Tentacruel, Corsola, Homage. I already showed you one of these. Bellsprout, Numel, Gwendolyn Spirit Link, Greninja, then PD, World PD. So now I got the Blend Energy, the Phantom, the Flash Energy, Gervardier Spirit Link, Brixian, Shoulder, Swirlx, Gibble, and Unknown. So that's all I'm going to be showing you guys today. So see you tomorrow. Bye.